Hello mi gente, how is everybody today? If you are watching and this is your first time, me llamo Reina Merida, and if you not yet have subscribed to my channel, please do so, please do, please. Just like right now, just go in there and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell and leave any positive comments below. Try to be discreet on the negativity, but if you guys want to keep watching my video to see how I came up with this look, so yeah, just keep watching. Hola everybody, how are you today? So I am back for more. I am gonna do a little kind of get together with me kind of thing today. I'm gonna try to do more of these, more frequent, and I got my hoops on. I love me some hoops. If you notice on my pictures and Instagram and all my social media, I do love big earrings and hoops and stuff. So, and I got my blinged out nails. Okay, anyway, so today we're gonna get started and I'm gonna use the NYX, it's full coverage foundation, and it says can't stop, won't stop. That was actually one of my sayings when I was at the gym. I'm like, can't stop, won't stop, yeah. And it's a little light for me. I think it's just one shade lighter. If I can find the color. It's true beige. Okay, it's a true beige, but we're still gonna use it. I'm gonna get my, like 2 days ago, but still you can kind of feel the dampness in it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a pie. I want a pie right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm going to apply. Okay, so I'm gonna use a powder from Collab, and it's in the color Almond Honey. Right here, and you can tell I use it. I'm just gonna kind of press it all into my skin here and see if it gives it a little bit of more coverage. Even though it's not that dark, it suits. Like it just kind of gives that sun-kissed look. There you go. So it just kind of gave it a little bit more of a pointy look to the nose, and not really bad. What you want to do too, if you like, put it underneath the lip. And it just gives a little contour underneath the lip. Like I said, this shade is like really good. But like Latinas, just need a little bit, and it does, I mean, it just forms really pretty. I love it. Medium sand and the Tarte Shape Tape. This goes a long way, guys. Like it really does. It's really good. I see a lot of the girls that I follow and just random people that I just kind of go through their videos, and yeah, this concealer is all over the world, all over the place. I've enjoyed it so far every time I've used this, so don't have no negative. Set really good on your skin, and they don't look dry and flaky and patchy. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And my face. Today I'm gonna kind of scoop it up. I want my cheekbones too. And I'm gonna leave that like this for right now, and then I'll go back and do the rest of the bronzing and a little bit of the highlight and everything else. So for some browns, use this orange color right here. But I'm gonna go in first with the yellow that's on the side, and I'm gonna use that one as my transition. I like to use the yellow and orange as a transition color just because it makes it makes it look like sunset eyes. I really like that. So I just went ahead and applied it on the other eye, and the only thing that I suggest you guys do is make sure that you blend and blend and blend till your fucking hand falls off. Like you're holding it and you're still blending. It's the E25 from Sigma. So as you can see, it's just a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna use like a red brown. And then I'm gonna end up using this purple here. It doesn't look as dark in the camera as it does here, but so as you can see, it actually looks really nice. And well, so I think I'm going to apply a little bit of glitter. Just all right, guys. So the other day I went to Ulta and I bought the Super Shock Shadow Ulta glitter. I'm going to try it, but I'm going to see what it does without me spraying any Fix Plus or any setting spray on it, just to see what it does by itself. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Okay, so I didn't do nothing. Let me use the it barely has any of the Fix Plus. Let me try that. Maybe this will pick up a little bit. Okay, so we definitely see that the Fix Plus did pick up the glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Stila, and this one is in rose gold. I'm gonna just literally like apply a minimum amount. And use in the center. All right, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner, and I will be right back. Hey guys, okay, so I went ahead and did my liner. I'm gonna go ahead and apply underneath the under eye some shadows, and I'm gonna go in there with the orange first and apply. This one is the E15 from Sigma. I'm going to use a darker color. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the fuchsia color. Okay, so now I think I'm done with this. The highlighter brow, like to highlight under the brow, but I'm going to use it in the waterline. All right, guys. So I decided to go ahead and decide what lashes I'm going to wear. I'm going to wear some lashes called Teddy, and they are from Walmart. I actually got them at Walmart. Color. So I'm gonna go ahead and see. Okay, I like it. Okay, I really like this color. It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my forehead too. Like who puts blush on their forehead? I do. And a little bit right under there. Contour the underneath of my face. All right. Okay, let's go. Okay, highlight. I'm going to use the it's called So Hollywood loose powder from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look how shiny. I use the Morphe setting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this shimmer on the high point. So like right here, on this, on the tip, on my cheeks, upper lip, and about in that area. So all of the face. What you want to do also is I'm gonna apply it on and it's called Flower Child. So, and it looks like this. nice and pink. So I'm gonna use a stippler, and I'm just gonna apply a minimum amount to see like what it does. So this is really nice, guys. I like it. Oh shit, I forgot about my lashes. Okay, anyway, shoot, let me go ahead and apply my lashes. So here are the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mascara. And I'll be right. All right, guys, I went ahead and used the Elizabeth Arden in the color black. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try out a lipstick that I got just recently. It's a Stila. Let me get it. Okay, now that that drama was over, taking the shit. Okay, so this is one. This one is in the color Dulce. Dulce. I mean, in Spanish, it's Dulce, but it's Dulce. It's a very like shimmer, peachy color. It's not like matte, so it does have a little shimmer to it. So I'm very excited to use it. I swatched it, it was really nice. So let me see how it does on my lips. So this is gonna look really nice. Let me go ahead and apply a lip liner. I'm gonna use a the London Rimble color in Coffee Bean. Let me see how that looks. And that, guys, let me just go ahead and do the brows, and then I'll show you how I apply my highlighter underneath. All right, I'll see you in a minute. And here we are with the eyebrows. What a difference when I do my eyebrows, guys. Like, it's like a total different face. Like, yes. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, ya no me falta, me queda. The only thing is, I think for me right now, with the look I'm kind of going for, it's just the inner highlight and the brow bone highlight. So let me find a brush. Okay, so my mama was on the phone. You know, you gotta answer your mama's calls. So le dije que ahorita le llamaba para atrás. So this is what I just kind of did the inner, and I do swiping motions, and then I kind of bring it to the middle. So that way I'm not going all the way from here to here. It just depends on your preference on what you're doing. So like I said, makeup to me is just an art. It's fun. You can take out, add in, whatever. So I'm just gonna add in to the inner corner. So it's nothing too extra, but that little extra does make a big difference. So guys, this is the finito look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, you know, learned something from it, a little tip here and there. Everybody has something and a different way of doing makeup. They start at different points. They, you know, so everybody's just different. So I kind of do, just depending on the look, I start with the eyes sometimes, I start with the brows sometimes, I start with the face sometimes. So you'll get a little of everything with me. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty nice and cute and simple and sexy and summerish all at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you guys subscribe if you still have not, and ring that notification bell. Leave any positive comment below and be discreet with the negativity. I take all kinds of advice from you guys, anything, suggestions that you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and until the next time, bye.